Assalamualaikum and hi everyone. My name is SYAKIRAH FARHATI binti Muhammad NADZIM and my metric number is 8162949. The purpose of this video is to share with you guys on how Google Sheets generates numerical analysis such as for mean, median and standard deviation, and how Google Sheets generates graphical analysis, for example histogram, box plot and stem and leaf plot. So let's check it out. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum and hi everyone. So here I'm using Google Spreadsheets, as you can see here, to search for mean, median and standard deviation. I have prepared a set of data which consists 20 names and a score maximum 30 and the minimum is 27. This is the formula that I have prepared here. To search for mean, we need to press on the equal button and then type average. So you got here options for average. Just press on average and then select the column that you want to search the results for, which is I will select the column of B2 until B21st. So you got here B2 until B21st and then press enter. So you get the result for mean of this data set is 20x.75. Next, we are going to search for the median of this data set. For median, the formula is still the same. Press on the equal button, type the difference is you need to type median since you want to search for the median. So to select the median and then choose the column, which is for this data set is B2 until B21st. You got here, press enter. So the median of this data set is 29. Next, standard deviation. For standard deviation, the first step is just the same, which is equal symbol and then type this STDEV for standard deviation, ST. So automatically they will appear lots of choices, options. So press the first one, select the column for the data that you want to search for. So here is B2 until B21st, the same. And then you've got here the press enter. So that's all. It's so easy to use technology to search for all these complicated data. So we've done for question number 1 to search for mean, median and standard deviation. Let's proceed to question number 2. Hi everyone. So now we are going to take a look on how Google Sheets generates graphical analysis on histogram, box plot, and stem and leaf plot. First of all, what we need to do is, so here I have prepared a set of dataset which contains 10 names with different score, which is the maximum is 30 and the minimum is 19. In order for us to search for the histogram chart, we need to choose the value and the dataset that we want to put into the chart. After we have highlighted all of them, select insert and chart. Okay, we've got here, this is called radar chart. Select on the chart type, choose histogram since we need to have an histogram chart. Okay, we've got here histogram chart for this dataset. Next, we'll proceed to search for the box plot for this dataset. For box plot, what we need to do first is type in this box, select any box, type minimum. second box, type lower quartile. Next is upper quartile and maximum. Select the box to put in data set so that you don't get confused. So the formula to search for the minimum, we need to press on the equal button, type minimum. So you've got lots of options, choose minimum, and then choose on the column of value of the data value that we want to search for. We've got that B2, which is B2 until B11, and then press enter. So the minimum is 18. For lower quartile, press on the equal button, type quartile. So here is the quartile option. Choose quartile, choose column, insert the column. For quartile up, for lower quartile, we use comma, then we need to put the comma, if not it wouldn't happen. So put a comma and then press 1 and then enter. So the lower quartile is 20.75. Okay, next, upper quartile. For upper quartile, press on the equal button, type quartile. So here is quartile. Choose the column, the value, and then put comma. When we want to search for quartile, don't forget to put a comma after the value. So for upper, we need to use, there are 3 numbers. 1 is for lower, second is the middle, and third is the upper. So we need to use 3, number 3, and then enter. So the upper quartile is 27.75. Next is maximum, equal, and then type max. And if you type more than we need, like maxi, so this is the wrong formula. So remove the I, so we get max. Here is the right one. Maximum, choose the column that contains the value. Okay, and then enter. So this is the data set. Now highlight or choose all of the numerical data set. Press on insert and chart. We've got this right. We want it, search for chart type, we want it to be a box plot. So okay, we use candlestick chart. Now we've got the box plot for this data set. Okay, here we go. Now we will proceed to the stem and leaf plot. Stem and leaf plot, it starts from in ascending order, which is from the smallest number into the biggest, or lowest into the highest. For example, we've got the front number. We have got here 2 number, right? Like 3 and 0, 2 and 3, 2 and 0. So there are 2 set of number. Stem is literally the first number in the set. For example, 3 and 0. So 3 is the stem. You got what I mean? So here we will proceed with the smallest number of the stem, which is number 1. Right, number 1. So we put here number 1. Second, after number 1, number that is much bigger than or more value than number 1 is number 2. Which contained in this data set is number 2. So we put here number 2. The biggest number is number 3. Okay, now let's take a look on partner of number 1. Number 1. The partner of number 1, 18. Here it acts as the partner or the leaf of the stem of number 1. So the leaf for number 1 is 8. Let's search for another 9. Okay, that's all we got for leaf of number 1. Next, leaf for number 2. Leaf for stem number 2. We've got here 2, 0, the smallest one. And then, is there any 2, 0? No. 2, 3. 2, 3. And then 2, 3, and then 2, 2, 5. After that, 2, 7, and then 2, 7 again, and then 2, 8. Okay, now 3. We only got two value of 30, which is for the stem of 3, 3, 0, and 3, 0. 3, 0, and 3, 0. So let's count 2, 4, 6, 8, and 10. So we've got the correct data set already, the right amount. So type here a key, and I choose the stem for my the stem and leaf plot for my data set is for the stem I choose number 1, and for the leaf I choose number 8. So here is the stem and leaf plot that I've chose. This is how technology has make ease our task by time. So this is how it will get. Okay, now we have done histogram, box plots, leaf, stem and leaf, mean, median, and standard deviation. So that's all from me. Thank you.